Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter with $43 billion. This news is making a lot of beginners a boatload of money. And in this video, I will cover 5 steps how you can take advantage as well and make $1,000 to $5,000 per day in the process. Even if you have 0 followers, 0 experience, 0 technical knowledge, 0 websites, it works if you hate videos, and it works if you hate being on the cameras, and you hate recording your voice on the camera, and you hate writing scripts, articles, or any kind of content. For making money, we will be using free public links on the internet in conjunction with my software Epic, and Epic is coming to you for free. Link is in the description. You can go get it anytime you want. It can be done from anywhere in the world, whether you are in the US or Europe, Asia or Africa or even Australia. You can make money with this system from anywhere in the world just using your computer and your internet connection. And yes, my software will help you make money fast. I started my career as an engineer. Aside from my job as an engineer at one of the biggest and oldest construction companies in the UAE, I started trying to make money online since 2010. And for a long time I was stuck and I never made a single penny. Because for a long time I thought that in order to make money, I first need to become an expert on something. If this is your case as well, it's not your fault. It's the fault of our education system. As an engineer, I learned that before I make money as an engineer, I need to complete my course, then work for years to gain experience. Only then I will actually start making money as a successful professional engineer. Well, this might be true when you are trying to become an engineer or professionals of that kind, but it doesn't work that way when it comes to making money online. So my failure was a result of my wrong belief for a long time. But it changed when I saw things like what's happening today. Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter. Most of the people who are talking about this on social media have nothing to do with this. There are 2 types of people. First, who makes money from this. Second, who loses money from this. The money makers are getting prepared to play with Twitter stocks, Tesla stocks, and make money. The second money makers are creating content on the hottest topic and getting viral views, clicks, website traffic, social media followings from social media. But the money losers are the people who are engaging and spending time on this topic without doing any of these 2. The lesson here is that you don't need to be an expert to make content. Instead, you need to make content about what's happening and what people want to see and hear about what's happening. Elon Musk is what's happening right now. Just go make content about him and what he's doing. If you cannot be like him, no worries, talk about him. Create content about him and educate and entertain other people using your content. So I have just searched on YouTube about Elon Musk offer to buy Twitter and see what I saw. So this is the first video. I think this is an ad maybe, or maybe this is just the first video. This is the second video, and then comes the shorts feed. And look at the views in the shorts. 222,000 views, 2,000 views, 260,000 views, 171,000 views, 1,500 views, 1,700 views. Most of these videos and their channels and the creators are brand new. But YouTube is pushing these shorts videos because they're shorts and it's a new feature on YouTube. You got it? Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and very important, share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts. Share this video on your Facebook timeline, on WhatsApp, and on Telegram groups that you are in to help others learn how to make money online the real way, the easy way. And everybody will love you for sharing this generous information, and everybody gets access to our software as well. And when you switch on the notification bell button, you will get notified when we upload our next money making video. Start your YouTube shorts because shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying their best to promote shorts and shorts creators to make it popular. We are getting around 700 to 1000 views per day from this channel alone, and for us every view equals $5 on the average, so you can imagine how much money we are making. My first few years trying to make money money online were hard. But as soon as I realized how people are making money on the internet, I started making video content using my webcam and Google's free live streaming service. I started to learn skills and made simple information courses using videos. Example, when I made my first website. Not only I just made my website, but also I recorded my journey of making my website. I was far from perfect. In fact, I was a total beginner and my website was really ugly. So was my videos. But people loved my videos. They found them realistic and authentic. I started getting attention from customers. I sold courses to them and I made money. Then I used videos to get leads to a mailing list. Gave my subscribers value via emails and videos and introduced my products to them. They started to like my approach and bought my products and I made money. Then I made bonus videos for customers. They loved me and believed in me. They bought more from me and made me more money. Then I built membership sites where I produced contents one time and the customers keep paying me month after month. Now for us and our software Epic users, content is absolutely not a problem because Epic does everything, literally from free links on the internet. It writes scripts and text contents and it even provides voice over using text to voice technology. And if you are not comfortable with making long videos, you can make a bunch of short videos, tiny video clips using Epic and save the campaign. Epic will combine the short clips as a long video and just one push of a button, the video will be ready in the background of the software. Look at our channel stats, hundreds of views in our shorts. Our users get access to our videos as templates. Epic users can import our videos and use as their own videos and start getting views, traffic, and results starting today. Okay, here is how to make money step by step from today. Step number 1, keep your eyes on Google News and social media at the same time. When you see a lot of people talking about something, that could be a hint of a hot and trending topic. Step number 2, collect all the related topics on the trending topic from YouTube, Ubersuggest, and other social media like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit. Step number 3, use the secret weapon Epic and start making and publishing short videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok on all the topics and subtopics. Step number 4, in your content, ask people to like your content, share your content, follow you on your social media channels. Step number 5, sell something to them and make money immediately. It should be something relevant to the topic. If you don't have something relevant, sell something generic like making money online courses or weight loss product on the ClickBank or relationship based product or any useful products on Amazon. Be generous and tell people that you are trying to fund the channel in order to continue for a long time. People love generosity and a lot of people will purchase from you just to support your channels, and a lot of people will purchase because they want or need the product you're promoting. We get a lot of views from YouTube. Look at our channel analytics. We got 22,000 views in last 28 days alone. Look at 90 days, 57,000 views in last 90 days. Now let's go back to 28 days and look at the shorts feed, 12.7%. This traffic, these views came directly from YouTube because we are publishing shorts and our shorts are under 1 minute long. Of course, they're getting good number of views. We do absolutely no promotion whatsoever for our shorts. All these views are coming from directly YouTube, and we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical, click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want, click the text generator, paste it right here, use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add.
Resident Technique Code Guide.
and your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more videos sections. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the back. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube, 100% free. This is a 1-minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and here is very important thing: share this video with your friends and family. Share this video in your social media channels like Facebook timeline, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram groups that you are in, WhatsApp groups that you are in. This way you help others learn how to make money online, and you will become a cool person in front of them. And not only that, they will start following you, they will become your customers, they will become your referrers because you're a cool person. So let's do this, and you'll get notified when we will upload our next money making video. We'll see you in the next video.